from the computer man video na oye no specifically on Oman channel no who say with the demeanor na the tour the body posture or the tone in the nim na the kasa no I just say only Jesus and one personal issue but obi oye stupid me say me words obi oye stupid like computer man kasa who say the problem with and no I am come out shaban this or akonya kora of Blaster House menim say computer man to no why Blaster House for president so mo ko bisa president say why wine of Blaster House and almost so put me can say go bisa say why wine and the Ghana for Tawama computer man e yen we bi Ghana ha officer obi asuru no but let me sign this warning obi am president me come face him why one of the most stupid pastors apreku say no mo kire no ma ne call computer because someone nyaya namfo say a common denominator can what's a computer born in so friend akwawe Jesus one touch e ko dem nyina a computer confirm God has em bae o sabe be lashe no and the point is o portray no say wako school or no computer man say lawyer why the man lost certificate as a lawyer what's why you learned oni mo bi you learned ne bro focus say we purely illiterate okay one kasa na sheda nkoyi edi ye kwa no tuma ka bi ye wonu an ho ba asem a ene na abeche se wo ye correct wonya correct wo cha se wo nya correct ene wonya correct ache ti no embeche se wo ye correct sa what you say ne ma so die mmara no bi ani lem
Ewiase ade a eya pa ne se uti wiase na honam nye na honam so yensere emfa ntukwan yensere emfa nko aye na opese oma honam kasa pa de a ene na ukwati abijase ene na wokwaku me se frɛ abijase eba ema ntade ema change ema duku ema bet ema somade eye toma ema shoes eye rings a na fa bibia fa make us hu bia de ene na fa wo hawo na odadwene ekodan abijase ensan yo se wo spray papa enkun papa semana papa fa o hawo no pakodan abijase na eba social media handles nso a Facebook Abijase Beauty Empire, Instagram Abijase_Beauty Empire. Fasa number way na ubenya Abijase 404 Abijase 883 Abijase 6576 Abijase ehwani ebewuada.
Mama Wakwa Baba, Waha Construction Company Limited. You use modern cost-effective building technologies to build state-of-the-art facilities. And yes, also provide separate ancillary services such as architectural drawings, landscaping, renovation, electrical installations, and repairs. House management, plumbing, carpentry, masonry works, and more kakam. Ebusia for Wawa Quintum, Mwana Wapida was done. I want a Kodanda. Makam for Waha Construction Company Limited. It's a month. The Denbiara PDC Biara saw you school done, chapel done, restaurant. From a Waha Construction Company Limited. Nantumada, who was in the Kamadamo, Sapida Washadamo, Washadamo, Capimabra, Ababa, Apache Wodan. So we're going to Nasa PDC Wooden was Central Region, Ashanti Region, Western Region, Greater Accra, Ghana Babyara. When you're in the contact one, Kululu Biani, Waha Construction Company Limited, Woko Yarazi, what Denbiara PDC Biara on your problem. Now, yeah, repairs is so. Any able staffs in Woho 24/7. Time being here when Biara, a Frawana, Bajidu, Waha Construction Company Limited, Cape Coast, Kakumdo, Abrajukwa Road, Denodo, Waben Kakum, MA Basic School, Abrosano Biana, our first floor, a bit of my phone 055-026-8598. Email wahaconstructionlimited@gmail.com. Social media handles Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn on Waha Construction Limited, and Waha Ghana on Facebook. Visit one website www.wahaconstruction.com. Waha Construction, no job too big, no job too small.
Move on to Lawson TV.
Keep watching, don't change it. Keep watching, don't change it. Keep watching, don't change it.
And one day Lawson TV.
Oya mo pon share ni pa bia me din na no se bonsu ho yi so pa bia no pra tell no pra kasa no pra edi hia e ro de ho experience kingdom back up e bi nka ho samre o share Lawson TV e dey so subscribe to Lawson TV and go so make say bo modern so subscribe to Lawson TV say be na videos bi e de bia 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 hwe aha da bia me kasa ye tire ni pa no kre me ni pa hu no kre many party no class many pedi no create platform we endi ho see the best you be but e wo ho no mo say bibi koso onte ho ase a de mo akonya no waka wadwe and me guest ebe shock the whole nation no we be say na nwe na abrantie no ko shia no wai and then the 101 we exclusive. I think say the whole social media platform the ABC so be yada Prophet Opoku Ajimai ibi obepie mu a Bishop
Wauza
isi ayate
ngevende
busy na
pedi fosi anmentu jina
be mu akwaba
yeah
ale na post system
the COVID amount my slow it you know yeah so any business because we to build all your life based on church and I think say one thing I was also for in issue of first year satisfied of me say you catch ya and say be full time the show be a would this of no year do an year no and when don't pay me juma but even you do baby you say that if you build all your life around ministry I won't future because I sorry because see that your correction and actually Monday is that week so me akwa koji scan e beto to kan so we are now so the people imagine say unya duma bia for all these years COVID by how would you survive it you know amani pa abegunya answer bebre ya be dawo bebre you know we are not building our life based on asori nko they are sorry they be sorry but then now sorry they even say share them from they say be adwuma na I made look good because asori collection nko say be intimi nti your but it's about ministry and it's about business so they be ya nya approval for because okoye asori nko anyame amowa obe ya approval ni because be an expenses a doors and you have a lot to take care of and unya nti also bobi na to turn ye man na onya sika ni bi nti your but said America na koye asori na adwuma ye blending me nunya
but you say sorry to say nipa wo nipa ba
oh and this face you will never be one thing say side time was also for the kind of so for be no kuma say na Ghana we say I'll be catches and last sorry in court before say COVID in my no ni say no sorry ko pepe anya no kore obia dey ko form obia everybody and I think that is the whole world yeah what friends around the world na ene omokasa no baby obi complaining and the problem about Ghana and about the whole world. Inti the whole land in a company, the whole America company, worldwide. It has already and just a first. It is a canina na be a to adapt another quada whatever. Yeah, 2 days we are no business we are no where we are. There is a number began in Sana and I'm saying that 5 years, 10 years time.
I didn't hear.
I would say you have to do research. So
maybe
COVID ni ba
no why research
yeah my research kaka a way of world every setting on usua science on make sure say every 100 years
okay
bia no ewiase no every setting
okay
on eyes of phone on our resetting
okay
into every 100 years bia ewiase no resetting every setting what it means in say e you be free na ama ya start ewiase ni nya afoforo what you say and a baby see 2019 2020 100 years pepe into me we are sitting in an resetting it means 100 years you come from 2021 no a beginning of another 100 years
okay
and a science for so say we are sitting resetting 100 years biano it give 5 to 10 years and san we are no asaba back to normal state said na a year before enti ayade a esipen enti no bia we learned bia osua de bia ni tiase say the whole world including Ghana e be take 5 to 10 years and say na world now is stabilized na ba normal what is ade we say e ma onya tendency de who zero be say di no e was about sorry ba be ye 10 10 about 10 to 5 to 10 years and sana ne my normal the whole world has stabilized into sanity yeah bumper is a bit one quantity ni abedi
Bishop yan ko ni she unia Jesus ahofe minim se o social media na onim de ekoso ide ohu ni problem aba okoshe nkom fa Shatawale ho se wa nyine ne mpa wa mari mpa ibomu anya dia nkofo bi beto ahye ne so aboni tu akuno enam so ama Shatawale ku feki se ono an Roberts for ba attack no I think so no kra ku feki no enyo ne ri ka chen ba nipa no hye nkom a Jesus ahofe no ade na to Jesus ahofe no ayen so hwa na se ayo no ne shata na she da to ne yes ade no
ana mere was me ni se on shata na plan here.
Okay.
May suffer, and when it comes to the matter of prophecies, and normally I don't like condemning prophecies.
Okay.
Because I believe the fact that Bible says that so be a good meaning. No book on Tasedo Nam Nipediaso Ayoye. It is a Unamenka Nazi Namiaka. To me, a win Amiasem on the judgment day. And I will take it from the point to say, oh, Mashanem come. But honestly, I never my two young coming for the first time. I'm says I'm going to say it because I can't minimum lawyers. I say spiritual things and then spiritual normal. You need no court because I unseen word and it has no evidence.
Okay.
Courts you talk about law and evidences.
Okay.
In the spiritual things, I unseen word. I am for anyone. How do you pick an evidence from something that is not seen?
Okay.
And in the Ghana court, you need to
okay.
But therefore, me when they say I cried when they born and I say and a child is wrong say, what also fear and panic.
Okay.
I know they are married to Rachel.
Okay.
It I think said the hot law in the Juma.
Okay.
But the prophecy need a mean to me because I'm in a kind and I'm in a kind or sin I'm in a catch them.
Okay.
And let's take it from there. But I buy here and I'm buying a Juma so called law and fear and panic. Said you'll be anyone some car.
Okay.
But the only problem I'm not a here, assembly by and the way as I'm so be I reacted to it.
You back on no. Unyini say asa so for nyame se ne ya do so Ghana.
Yeah, obi obeka so for one kan wasim bia na oya hypocrite. I mean say ya do so. Na I think say we are is no ne boni mu but ne papa mu a de ntia me ka say ne boni mu ne say enkofo bi won ko dim nti no ntimi ka say e papa nko a ana
Enkofo be
ana ne papa mu bi so ni say abema ni pa bi so ya hwe.
Okay.
So china bi we ka sama to social media say we be home.
Be very careful.
Be very careful because you know that when the law cut up with you remand 1 week that you're gonna go. He says I'm not about 1 week remand and wow. When I Archbishop Ghana and not show you do with na court. You na friends am na 1 week out of court.
But eba sa ne hu bia kam wana.
Oh, and who the intimate can already no prophet. Because I believe the first Bible look at liberation come go prison.
Okay.
And ministry, there are so many things involved. Greatness, I want one price to pay. And you know, nyame kwa na capture wa obet me go prison. But there's one thing I'm making it clear. Prophecy, there's something that I was a prophecy na yusuya. Your prophecy na make capture I for just your information. Nana, when we yes you make capture waso. Me capture waso no just waso kwa na etie.
Enkobo hu dawulo.
That is it. One thing about prophecy, a lot of prophets means omu prophesy no munim. Na metime ya show yes but na you for just your information. I mean I can't say we basic keke. Be also na make catch no catch say declare and here for your declaration. It is there for your information no. You can't share was so you can't share no. And you know what can go nya wansama enye nyame.
Wa waso den.
Wa waso den.
Okay.
Because nyame catch share was so but one can't share one no.
Okay.
But the nyame catch say bia ko kan no. Wo kana unya asema enam se nyame na catch that was kenti. Sa asema wo kwa nyame na nkom befa so be twitwaje wo. And I think there's one thing a prophecy no say na yesua. The nyame catch was so any was so.
Okay.
The nyame catch was kanaka. Wo kana nya ho asema a nyame na nim ni nim die mu no. Ni nansem no nkom befa so twitwaje wo.
Okay. Yanko dey say Jesus ahofa asem ne ba me hu say osofo computer man. Obedi papa na tempa. Na me hu video no me hu jure me because nwanwa se me a menye sofo me attack asofo am obi o ye sofo so attack asofo a na otimu se problem when computer man video no yeah no
go for the assembly more
what you
manya time atena home for anadwo me beda me ye me Bible study so na metena home me the whole video
asam o kan ye no woni ne ya adwen
baby wo
wa papa ne pa
baby wo ho me ne ya adwen baby a me ne nya adwen ne ye kwan of so tackle no or kasati so be on in what personal issue. I will say so obi can be asema you bet man can say but obi ti asema na obi o intelligent be when somebody is speaking with your spirit of intelligence you can just view the person and know say oh we all kind of from a pure heart. And when somebody is speaking already the demeanor now they to one and in the body posture and a body language you know they kasana you could detect that way on in what personal beef be hidden
and you should not ban or
Debbie and you know or baby as a yastic and as a standing block no the dinner so I'll lash you know from the computer man video now or yeah you know specifically on my channel no who say with the demeanor now the tour the body posture or the tone in the nim now the kasano I just say only Jesus and what personal issue
and I
mean everybody were intelligent and smart they are watch video be able honest smart computer man is smart a smart person who will do an issue the way you present the issue no and man you ban already go and say only in answer but obi o stupid me say me words obi o stupid like computer man kasa
bishop
Orabi nana mami kasa or you stupid because me oh nana or you stupid because me oh nana or you stupid because ni demeanor ni body posture and okasa ya na echi was I release the entire one no problem na sorry fiana or did that stuff no and ojo no shisha nkoma NDC enti uku say the problem with Angofe no aye nkoma wa sheba NDC
no so shebi ma MP
and no so sheba MPP so no obe kasa no o akonya kora of Blaster House minim say computer man to no wa ya Blaster House for person
anya no kore
I won't go want to waka
o matba nya no kore
oh what's in that for na president Akufo-Addo or call Blaster House kwana ye bi do mani wurem
enye aha na me enye bishop asemi should have a person me faka asemi me yesema draw IDP kura attention computer man you will be on person be the traffic so Ghana ha yeah and wakwa top police ni bia born care ti o start so wo ba beti wa wonim say bia minister bia na say e bia panimu ni etwam obehu na ye computer man I think say e was some of your na ne kasa asem no and anu ye IGP asema make is he tell us say IGP the traffic light him also on for convoy and police motor ni bi dru on mo ohun sa IGP gina ho no mo wa anko o gina ho no mo and IGP are all stress o mo man nko na computer man ti Ghana I was say or no there no sebi ne ka ni traffic so santo so we ya ni aso so Ghana celebrities when be so a Shatawale to Ghana and was on the car any convoys your friends say traffic so wow on which enti may draw IGP attention ya woni ama bi wo on mo Ghana I think city amra ana bishop asama make on me nya
oh yeah me no ya adwe
because otumfo se toda no ko tech campus a oba no bedru anraga janhye kwa branch call ho no otimi di traffic so yo baby itimi di protocol ye dey etwem ani o baby wo no protocol no ntimi fanya dey etwem so why so osofo ba akoto ya bo ka mu na osori a wow I think so the president of Ghana bishop
oh what say no protocol of Blaster House wono o koni o kwa ye bie program ye ba ye nkobisa waka edawo so the social media also omo pa mo nkobisa president say we wine of Blaster House and almost so for timika say nkobisa say we wine at the Ghana for our man and the problem with Angofe nyina ne say Angofe say command DC won say command PP and you know why Angofe said they said when yakwa bia wo horo no and the point I'm saying is this one can immature on computer man e yene we bi Ghana ha office obi asuru no but let me sign this warning obi am president me come face him why one of the most stupid pastors ne pokra nyefe
dabi asa one ne wa
oh dabi na tie
me from bishop asa one ne wa asem
me ni asem ba wa ye ne ma bi me che odi ntia one woni say apreku ase no ka asem bi aso me kan mu pa mu bisa kumchacha mu bisa kumchacha mu bisa Canadian free apreku se ne ho kire no ma ne call computer because omu nya ye namfo say a common denominator can was a computer ball ni so fra ni mama mo ni petu amemu so omo
me sanse me ncho no esi na me ni ho bata apreku ka kire me but esi ye no na me ni ho e tu kra okay
ayi akwawe Jesus one touch e ko dem nyina e computer ono one touch be kan so what dia me boa na say ya woni apply life
ayi one touch no kan say no si
oh was a computer ne ba e dey ex wife e ko fabricate story ne dey tone so say ono one touch ne ono ane bada e pe evidence ni nyina no ne ne ko court ye nya computer man ne pe lawyer pay sika ma no see em fa ne nonko so fun kotu
ni pa ya kana sem ye
so they are all on social media and one can say what you say
na hwan bi na bobo din ne ba
ono ni yesi ye odi aya apreku odi aya the friend saying buy life odi aya Jesus one touch odi aya na say aso sari e kwasi ko ni e kwa nyanto kumchacha na kuma mfi no confirm God has a buy or sabe the lashe no and the point is o portray no say wako school or no computer man say lawyer why the man lost certificate as a lawyer was say you learned oni mo bi you learned ne bro focus say you purely illiterate o kamoro fo ti say mum fan chame asantini a wako school pa na so or RNL problem sana computer man kabro
so ya asantini
mimi ya bunini
okay
menana ene ne din kransa akunya
okay
e dia me to menana me tie me din kransa akunya ya fam nana ni later na ajiban
okay but me fan say o life mu nyina
me life mu nyina ma tene kumase
okay
but ene me nya santini me papa fi ma chimoda
okay
me ma me ya bunini te me ya bunini
okay
what am I saying and so okay ka kire omo no ono no akwa school or you learned or you lawyer ono no when na bie na ni ate obi a wani bie wani ate no wo dey fan say this is a mofem pie mistake yam fan sa me from me point of view fan say wa fom no ya che no odem that particular moment no e dey na yenwa no wohia emotional support prayer encouragement as a brother nyame bua na ahofe free mu ba na wo free said your year and aniya u pinchen wona asore me nua maba e be sem no di nkomo e me sem commissioner wo share no na asamba intene na e bompa so be free but next time so we be sa I prefer say kapeni pa number and any po be no na catch him because they said their papa na ye no ahwe a na be nya asem chance e de na pressing na wo nua na ya chi na wodam bill kura wonya bie no afre na wo ba be chi na ho no be go to Bible the printed the context and the text of the scriptures I just on na correct and to computer man to ye no nya correct channel azamu kin kompa wona ye chofu diabolo
bishop me ba wo the way now can one seven no Mr. Munso guso ho me so answer because I said the way now attacking on obi ka so no personal
the make no me personal issue but I'm trying to let him understand say sasa wa so to a you really treasure
okay
don't come in unyo nya asam na oba be portray say wo de wo ye na ono de wo ye fake eye hypocrisy and also for your problem no obi nya asaba na obi be so original o che so ono ye correct ba we ye wonye atema brantie anwofa nya yi nipa no wa manem o how mu wo dey no problem because o say comment this o say comment PPA and this time and then sema wo tira wa wo kekani nya no obi o ye mature bi wo say irrelevant na so then so me ba to TV do so and see aso na e power Africa first the whole Africa o pede ya na nkofo fura broche ba behwe e wa Africa na TV do so aso re dan say na go
and oni hobi
and then on one ya tun aso go munya start ya tu dan nim e tu de on aso si dan ya so a wuwu a ayam ye mfa nse wa de kemna pakọ nka nche computer man so wuwu a na so dan na wasi no o me mfa nse no mfa nko. What you say? These are things that are irrelevant. I don't know how you can.
I think so by 24 hours or respond.
Nana, me coming papa who ya me pada kasiam. And come ni computer beef. And can better VS of Roma. So Ngasa. Make chance and make us a chain. Your baby will not be here. Somebody has to rise and tell him the way and net. What you say? New year, ni pa obedient me from. Now let me tell you this. So for being where 100% do. And this is what I want the public to understand. Maybe tell me the also for being where you say it. Titi free and me one by you are so for money you can go general. You are so for money did in Katun Komamo, but they were having their problem. Katun Komamo in the problem. When they preach and all since same room. They now come from you do light in a because I tired in quite bright. We saw them or more pie and not a good force or you anointed and to problem is no dink of Vukunich. And tsunami is aggressive in the man. You won't go for just feeling one of which we won't pay a man. I saw that, but when I just them, your fair service and go for a bomb pie. And so me cocaine, to me a drug addict, to me cocaine. What am I trying to say? Nyamifrobia doesn't mean anybody names in Panamera. And Mirani Sintoni doesn't mean any panusi fake. Nyamistori or said them when Yambrani Sinto, no more so in Nipa. You got to be a good amido, but one of also Namiape. So I didn't yet be doing Nipemua. I don't want to be almost away in Nipa. Obey Cato in Ancopon. It's in Aminan Semono, or said them when Yambrani Sin to be Monso in Nipa. Ntina will be on the floors, including Miamity, or be on the floors. You are anointed men of God that be a drugs addict. You'll be more Gomuko, go for prostitute, no more that, and they are still anointed. You'll be more among we, and they are still anointed. And you're free, but Paul can say, what's me call your minimum prensa. Send go home, but no one is some new premise, so I catch some of them doors of mouth, who made you. It doesn't matter how much you are anointed, you are still human and you have your flaws. And therefore, so we answer Banawoka. No, the answer to whom said, Daddy, men so many pay. And the Mekakurana men can answer becoming a slab for. And that is one thing I was a computer. Because ultimately, now portray say, what the way a slab for, about the Mrs. Awo, more be good bag in the bar, saw them so called this can do. Now, I got this can do or Pamamba also for.
It's Wagana.
Monkona, YouTube. I'm here, you only go saw them on a Diablo, so put Diablo, what do not saw them. Who we have a catch of this or be a soft. Who can be done one of us?
I think the same when the video be our depart no share no soon.
Yes, so yes, what's it? When I say, oh, go for Castle for the gas or them one. Who's who you are? Who you have a chance at Ghana Handy? So for beer no way, computer man who could be simple. Paracetamol be cooked, who pray. A Jumanji Shanquazamu can come. Then you are coming to attack somebody.
I think what the kayak can my mouth chance and cabot was so. Azana Yakaza, and then almost a why, and Yama 2 pen mills water.
Cover. Then commission was said, YouTube coin as Angua. A Juma phone coin. Me, imagine my enemy, me 25 committed days, Muni, see me and the wine, crowing me and my band chicks won't be
only computer only D can start here, man.
Maybe I don't mean the age, but I don't think so. Or you know,
the age in 50 in front of
50, I know they say age, but I don't just say you in a midway. Okay. You do our 70 years, my this of our channel.
Okay.
What you say? Okay. I don't hear one anymore. Yeah, tell them 25 years in
Osha experience.
It's transition.
Osha experience, I'll find a Jumamu, what femme, and Yama was sooner. What is the two on the other?
Me who is sending him the phone. He speak as if or a learned or a elite, but the demeanor and the body posture and the way of presenting in some. Also, Bible says, men soon so in answer for now, answer now one getting for. Of so in answer, but in answer him and eat me. Of free say, well, and I made a macro school, and I made the answer macro school, no, your name do a man yet, and so some kind of woman in that is away, Jimmy. Oh, then I just watch Jimmy. And you know what I'm trying to make it clear and say, someone just support him as a brother. Let him come out from the vacuum. Now, you draw closer to him or find a better way and present your issue to him. But don't create an enmity between one another because if it's also Shankoma party now also Shankoma party. You are all businessmen. Okay. And what I say? Who shall my MPP or also shall my this and we do time. And this is one of the problems. I'm also from the enemies, MPP and this. And I think about it and I'm going to say, Nana, what you so for? who post who chair president who chair minister bia because every 8 years aban sesa na so for them 50 years one sesa
Mahama time crowd when 8 years 4
eti me who koto these people are na ma so mo ya nkra omo na so mo koto because ye crowd ye to ba omo yes sesa omo me di so free obi ansesa me ka se me dia so di crowd am so se me di so for
still
yes and aban ko aban ba by we pastor priest still there.
Young Cody say, come say, yeah, Jesus and of our to program. Prophet Nigel Gaze was one on Tishi, Wabesham come say, Patapa, never very careful, I'll be the car crash and I'll be the accident. And I will bonk off will be pre. A bini at Tia can was Nigel Gaze, as I'm now can, you know, or comment to me, my family.
Oh, Nancy, any interview be.
Okay, good. Now also I can't say, said your friend say could be so Ghana.
My friend is an interview and he presenting in a very matured way. Who's our face is saying, oh yeah, a little bit careful in now presenting it. And this is a verse, no.
Okay.
And I think say, Juma when the one oh yeah, not the one and own experience. Because I think say,
oh, me the way now we see Kasa, if I'm commission I think so experience.
Oh yeah. Yeah, man, I change. Come say, yeah, shut you. Yeah, they didn't come and say, go be do my free, I will free, I will 10 years, anyway, come here.
I don't know, real, I said,
yeah, we started it here. Now, until we understand the game of prophecy.
But is still more than so now.
Yeah, but the point is, says, oh, go anymore, I don't have any entertainment prophecy and bring any results and bring only fame.
Okay.
But there's a solution, man, who told him say for Nana. It's a mega Joseph for Nana who here. What you said,
okay.
It's only yes, you the fame name. As
for radio and be simame, computer mind, and I think some am when we na me travel.
And the American say, I am man in social media, may have any view or on a hunting or not in when you were any.
I don't go ahead.
Oh, no, computer on the enemy.
Oh, go ahead.
Now, nobody else is a card to computer won't far, but I didn't show say the Bema you soon cook up on the pony effect. The pony, I'm so super clear.
There be bishop.
Oh, there be Nippon, your Bema, the old Bema, Miss Bishop. Oh, may I make out a young free, may I make a mass. Listen the pony. Oh, I bet you on I correct you, grow, Popoya, who possesses Angry.
I saw no way to say,
why you call back a corner, you who say, wait when you compare my corner tosso, then you Jonesy, or only high black, high blue, high green. The point of it.
I was your fool. I was a
one pet. Nana Mamma come as one pet.
I had your cost was still your another, my phone company.
Let me tell you, one pet. Do one year so in a year, see, I'm first one on one casa, one computer man, you record in Yan Ghana. Oh, and maybe womb. Chrono, womb. Some of 4 years, womb. Azan, and you say, womb. Into what would you win? And now they tackle you. Yeah, do I got to say that from your wood? Yeah,
but I think say be the way none any man also.
What is it?
Me person advice on sanka so.
They catch a minia. Eduano. You never 2 years away. I say a crack corona by Yedumay. Inquiry. What do you say? They say IGP so sweat to yes, yes. Yeah, and you one. Also, sorry, I come as soon as you cruma. Okay, one can say I'm queen, a dear, one to one can be a year. And the gentle social media on said you want one tenny. You will be antimating Casamitane, one tenny. What do you now say was as well? You're copying of an interim. Nama of first one one corner. Now they also come out when people on social media and this. No, your political game will be a game in a day. Now, remember, go be a man in Kunga for Nidra. Sadi in Jai. When you are about someone, and then I bet you saw you correct when you're correct. What's answer when you're correct and then when you're correct, I check. And one you're correct, I will see you.
Receipt to the food.
If you're good, I'm a man, you know. And the just how you're correct, sir. What you say? No man soon be no be any limb. Namian do Namatisa Branch when you be on facing the case. Now I would tell you they also do so. Why? Nasa didn't jai.
So I will go 5 days and
5 days. 18 years ago. Now on base had him. ɛna tu ho asɔfoɔ na mo nwa ho ba nsɛm a na bi mu ka niko buntam yɛ sanka mepɛ ewiase ɛso wi ɔfo nsa no ahwɛ ɔdeɛ yɛn nyinaa adwuma yɛyɛ obi anim dunku adeɛ bɛte so ɛne na ato nua ebi ana kyena na yɛwa te saa adeɛ wɔ yɛase asɛm tu obi a energy a wode bɛba ke nipa na kyerɛ sɛ bi bɛto a wobɛfirim ana womfirim ɛti ɛsrɛ mo mom yɛnya saa adeɛ no na asɛm tu obi a yɛn nyinaa yɛnka mo ne yɛmmoa nipa no firi mu wie ne yɛwafiri tu obi a ne yɛde ama no na na deɛ mɛka atwa to
okay abusuafoɔ madeɛ nyinaa prophet opoku agyeman aka ibe ɔne ne me frɛ no bɛdi ɛnsɛm ɛkɔ so ɛho nkɔmmɔ in fact me ankasa no mafɔ mmerɛ ho akasa ma mmerɛ ho paa wobɛkasa metaa n'akyi but nyɛ sɛ metaa n'akyi then sɛ sɛbisɛbi wowɔ ani na wode w'ani to fam a nneɛma ɛkɔ so wɔ Ghana no ano ɔde no ɔsɔfoɔ wo nua ho asɛm aba wontumi ntena social media wabere adwuma sɛbisɛbi woyɛ no abi na nipa no wɔyɛ wo nyina nyame adwuma na wɔyɛ bible no kita mu nyinaa nti wotwa no agu sɛ wɔnyɛ papa nti na sɔre mma no nyinaa ɔmɔmmra wo hɔ na ɛfa ɔmokɔ heaven anaa saa na wadwene sɛ ɔde ɔmbɛkɔ heaven bishop
na mo ayɛ bɛkɔ bi mu ate but no amu no practical so about man wait in di apɔnti so ma don se do ano ahwɛ de jonso
abusuafo ha yɛ Lawson TV on subscribe ya momodi
na me se na video no timi ka no aka na me yere me se me dan so na me bu atopa so fo timi sei na wo bu ya atopa ne fa yɛ ho me ɛna me yere me jana nka me wu ɛna kwa video no ɛna me yere no fo me say me that time mota me bu atopa saa na me se akoyi kurase ni that time what anu wi ni kakra opela kapa o
wɔhyɛ
computer ɔno ndeɛ de wi ne de afra petition laka oh they try me say that time no afra ka ntim kwase asɛm kwa no ka ni interview
so ɔno bi na
oh me say opela me say de wo anya na waka me na maka opela ka
me de asɛm a prophet Igwe kai me hu ahi eni mo ho hwee nkoto so ɔno laka da na emum no ɔno ani nua sɔfo ɛna ɔsɛ de wɔyɛ na yɛ na hi to wɔn kana no ntu na nya sa ɔyɛ no so ni nkɔfo nsɛm ɔno ne die na asɛbisɛbi bu fa so bi hyɛm pa so nyinaa yɛsi abusuafo ɔno fa nhyɛ no ahwɛ a nsɛm wɔ ne bɛsi wɔ studio ha no na no bɛyɛ den makra mo bye bye.
It's caught in the crossfire.